Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this John Deere. It's an L110 with a Kohler Command 17.5 horsepower motor. The owner is complaining that his battery's going dead. I'm going to show you how to check the electrical charging system on it. First thing you do is check your battery voltage. So right here I got 12.6. So with the key on, I should have 12.6 volts right here. And 12.34. So there's slightly voltage drop there. I wouldn't be too worried about it. Maybe just a dirty connection here, maybe just a bad fuse connection here. See if it makes a difference. And I get 12.49, so that's a lot better. The fuse here was a little corroded there. I was just sanded that down and that fixed the voltage drop there. So I'm going to start it up here. It's not charging at all there. I'm going to check on the outside leg of the rectifier. The AC. I'm getting 24 volts AC. There's still a possibility this still could be good, because it could be a bad ground. And I was just looking at it there. Look at that right here. Look, that should be grounded. So let's clean that up and tighten it down and see if that fixes the problem. This down here. All right, that's nice and tight. I ended up heating this up, and I closed the hole here and made it smaller, and then I tightened it back up there. It's not stripped no more. So I'm going to check my ground. I'm going to put this on ohms on the horseshoe here. Oh, I got to put it over here. There's the ohm symbol. There's 0 right there, so there's 0 resistance there. So right here, from here to here, we put it together, makes a complete path, should be 0. Clamp that on. So I'm going to touch my negative post on my battery, should read 0, and it is 0. We know the ground is good. Here, put this to my voltage side here. Okay, I'm going to start up the tractor. That's all it was, just a loose ground. That's an easy fix. When you measure your voltage across the regulator, you should get 20 to 24 volts at low idle. So at high idle, you should go like 40 or 45 volts AC. So if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.